Hi folks, Frank the Pest Geek here, and we're going to be discussing Maxforce buffet bait stations. Check this out. This is the Maxforce buffet station. This is designed to be able to use multiple baits in one easy to use container. Now, the advantage of using this versus the traditional putting out little pieces of cardboard for gel bait and maybe cutting up straws and putting them all over the place is that this is a very professional solution. Why? Because you have a lot of customers that are very demanding with very expensive kitchens, $30,000, $40,000 kitchen, $20,000 in granite tops. They don't want to see little pieces of cardboard all over their kitchen. This is very professional. It allows you to store it already in a branded label, which has a caution, do not allow near children and pets for safety. Very, very good product. It allows you to use multiple baits. You can either use granular baits and gel baits together. You can also dilute certain gel baits to a liquid because ants are looking for more water sometimes, and this is the water source plus the bait. So it allows you to use a hard gel, maybe in this corner here, and then you can use a granular bait there. Maybe you want to use a diluted bait. Why? Because multiple ant species will have multiple feeding patterns. You might have an ant species that's preferring one glucose over the other. The problem is with ant baits, we do not know what the glucose concentration is or what that formulation is. That's proprietary. So by allowing, you might need to use multiple ant baits to allow the ant to choose what they want. Also, like here in South Florida, we have tramp ant species that will invade the home, and once they're inside, the only way to get them out is through indoor baiting. I know a lot of people will only do outdoor baiting, but indoor baiting is required, especially here. Like if we get crazy ants inside a cupboard or they're in the outlets in the kitchen, they found the nesting site, ghost ants, big-headed ants, white-footed ants. These ants have to be baited out of the structure. You cannot simply just apply an exterior application or bait on the outside to bait them out. If they're inside the cupboards, if they're in the microwave, if they're in behind outlets, you have to bait them out. And what this allows you to do is to use multiple baits. Sometimes we'll go in and we'll have all 4 ants inside the home because the problem hasn't been solved. This is a great product to use with your different baits that you prefer. It is very professional. It seals, and once the problem is resolved, you simply throw it out. And so there is no need to be pre-filled stations for different solutions. This is an excellent solution. Hey, if this video has been helpful to you, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and share it with your friends. This is Frank the Pest Geek wishing you a pestacular day.